Hi students, welcome back. So coming to the next topic in the subject compiler designs was the symbol tables. So the symbol table is one of the important concept in the compiler design. So which is acting as a mediator, supporting device, not the mediator. You can take the supporting device, supporting module for all the phases. So there are different phases in the compiler. You already know that the lexical phase, syntax phase, semantic phase, intermediate code generation, code optimization, everything will be depends on the symbol table. Okay, so while you're seeing the process of the compiler design, so there all the phases are connected to the you just recall that structure. Different phases will be there. All the phases are connected to the one thing, that is a symbol table. And here there is an error checking. Okay, so all the phases are connected to the symbol table. Now let's see what is the symbol table was. A symbol tables are the data structures that are used by compilers to hold information about the source program constructs. So what the symbol table will holds the information about the source program. You are writing some source program and the compiler is going to convert the source program into the target program. Okay, so while it converting the source to the target, it needs some information regarding the source program. That information will be stored in the symbol table. So it is used to store information about the occurrence of various entities such as objects, classes, variable names, functions, etc. So it is used by both analysis phase and the synthesis phase. So what the symbol table will store? The symbol table will store the information about the occurrence of. So in your source program, you may came across different objects, classes, variable names, functions, structures, pointers, interfaces, so many things you will came across. So all that source program related information, the variables and the data types and everything will be stored in the symbol table. So so it can be used in all the phases, that is the analysis phase and the synthesis phase. So analysis phase is nothing but the front end and the synthesis phase is the back end. So front end is nothing but it's a lexical analyzer, syntactic analyzer, semantic analyzer and the intermediate code generation. So the back end is the intermediate code and this code optimization. Okay, finally you get the target machine code. So that you know that. So analysis phase is the front end and the synthesis phase is the back end. So this symbol table is used in both the analysis phase as well as the synthesis phase. The symbol table used for the following purpose. Let's see what are the different purposes It is used to store the names of all entities in a structured form at one place. So in a structured form, it is going to be stored in the symbol table, the names of all entities. The first thing is names of all entities will be stored in the symbol table. It is used to verify if a variable has been declared or not. So why we are storing all the names of all the entities names in the symbol table? Because whenever you want to add one more name, okay, to the entity, so first it's check into the symbol table and verify if a variable has been declared or not. Suppose if already declared, it won't declare again. So once if the program started, if that variable is already declared, the symbol table is not supposing to declare again if that variable is used in the program. Okay, so it is used to determine the scope of a name. So the symbol table is also used to determine the scope of a name. Means what is the lifetime of that variable, whether this variable is declared locally or the globally, like that. That information is also stored in the symbol table. It is used to implement type checking by verifying the assignments and expressions in the source code are semantically correct. So it is also doing one more work, that is it is performing the type checking operation. It is used, the symbol table is mainly useful to implement the type checking. It is not done the type checking, but it is helpful for the type checking. So why it is helpful for type checking? Because it stores the assignment operations, expressions of the source code in the symbol table. So while type checking module is performing the operation, so by verifying the assignments and expressions in the source code are semantically correct or not is checked by the type checking. So the symbol table, it is used to implement the type checking by verifying the assignment and expressions in the source code are semantically correct or not. So a symbol table can either be a linear or a hash table. So the symbol table that is present in the compiler, it can be represented either linear or hash table. Means it's a linked list or a hash table. The symbol table maintains the entry for each name as like this. So how it is going to enter the each name of a variable in the symbol table? Symbol name, type, attribute. So this is a format. In this way it will store in the symbol table about the information of the name. So let's take a variable. Suppose the variable is declared like static int integer salary. Static integer salary. So it will be represented like static is a symbol name. So this is symbol name. And the integer, you know, it's a data type. And the salary is nothing but the attribute. Okay. So it is stored in the form of like this, static int salary. So the symbol table stores an entry in this format. So remember this format. Whenever you want to insert any record, whenever you want to insert any value, not you, the compiler insert in any value in the symbol table, it stores the information like this: symbol name, type, and attribute. Now let's see what is the use of the symbol table. The symbol table information is used by the analysis and the synthesis phase. I already explained that. So the symbol table information used by the analysis phase as well as the synthesis phase. So to verify that used identifiers have been defined or declared, the symbol tables will be used. And to verify that expression and assignments are semantically correct or not, that is a type checking. So the symbol table is used for the type checking. And the symbol table is used to generate the intermediate or the target code. So these are the different uses of the symbol table. Thank you.